Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make your own dragon? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic. Now it's celebrations and my 100th episode is coming up. So subscribe to the channel to check out all the videos pre and post and coming up on my channel for free. And by subscribing, you're helping me out because we're trying to hit 10,000 and we have been for quite some time. And this is the year. This is the year. Now this month is all about celebration, and I obviously met an amazing woman called Rachel, who is my co-host, who taught me how to make a paper cup dragon. Now this is a cool activity that you can also make a paper cup crocodile or even Falcor from Neverending Story.
Neverending Story.
So here's how we get on.
What type of skill are you going to teach me and everyone else this month?
We are going to make a cup dragon.
Oh, nice!
We are a little bit ahead of time because this is the Chinese New Year, which I believe is on the 10th of February.
Okay. So anyone who's watching will actually have it in time to do that. Yeah. That looks absolutely impressive.
It's been blinged up especially for you.
It's one of these, here's one I prepared earlier.
It is indeed, and look, he moves.
Wow, okay. Okay, I'm liking this.
So are you up for the challenge?
I am up for this. I'm looking forward to this. So what do I need? What do we need for it?
You, depending on how long you want your dragon to be, this is 7, but we're going to go for 6. So 6 paper cups.
Yep.
Paper fasteners.
Oh, okay. Split pins. Yeah.
Don't go for the short ones because you can't get them through the cup. So slightly longer ones. Card of whatever colour you want because you need to draw legs and stuff. Googly eyes.
Now, I'm no longer a cup leader, but
and
I
you
have
still
tons
got
of
googly eyes.
I got tons of these boxes because of obviously the pandemic and doing all these craft activities. I was like, I need somewhere to store all of it. So yeah. So.
Unless your googly eyes are sticky, you need some glue stick. I wouldn't worry if you haven't got specific things. You can adjust stuff.
What do we need to do first?
I would say what you want to do is get your card. Get some card.
Yep.
You are going to cut yourself 2 little triangles connected together.
Oh, okay.
Now these are to make. These are for the back of the cups. So we're getting the fiddly thing. Yeah. So we're getting the fiddly things done before you start doing the cups.
If you're doing a 6 cup thing, you want 5 of these.
Yes, indeed.
Right. Okay. Does it matter if they're not the same, or?
No, it doesn't matter. This is your dragon. It's not my dragon. Do you know why they use dragons in Chinese New Year?
No.
Yeah. It's because they are for wisdom, good luck, strength and health. But another point for it is they're the only mythical creature in the Chinese zodiac.
We don't know if there was dragons at the time. You know, because if you think about it, I think like in lockdown, someone said this. It's almost like if dragons didn't exist, and they were mythical, then how come you've got China, who has dragons, you know, the English have dragons, that many different cultures that possibly at that point didn't even speak to each other, so didn't even know they existed in life, and then suddenly every single one of them mentions about these like sort of beasts, dragons and things like that. So it's like, so if all of them didn't really communicate with each other, how did they all have the same idea about creature. Yeah. I've got my green and I've got mine. Yeah. I'm going all out for this. This is going to be the best one yet. Right.
Next job is you are going to do 4 legs. It doesn't really matter how fussy you are. You could just have sort of an L shape. You can put claws at the ends. I folded my card over so you draw once and cut the 4 out together. Okay.
So there we are.
Oh yes. So you got 4 of them.
I've got 4 of them. Yeah.
Right. Then you want to do 2 of those. They're like little horns.
Okay. Things. What are they? Are these for the head?
Right there.
Okay. Right. I've
Two
got
them.
I got my 2 horns.
Want a triangle bit?
All right.
Diamond shape.
What's that
Diamond. End of the tail. And then last bit is you need a bit like this. Because you're
Ooh.
going to roll it to make it into a cone shape to tuck in the last cup for his tail.
for? Done.
Right. So now you're onto your cups.
So that's all the fiddly things.
That's all the
right?
fiddly bits. If you'd like to put your cone together now, it might save you time at the end. So you
Okay.
roll it, and you just make it into a cone like that.
There we go.
Right? Okay? Alright.
Yep.
Then get your diamond
Mhm.
and stick it at the end.
Stick it on the end. Right. Okay.
Stick it on the end. It's as easy or hard as you want to make it, to be honest. So your cups,
Mhm.
you are going to mark one at the top, one at the
Yep.
bottom, one at the top.
Okay.
In line with each other. Ooh.
Yeah.
One side, and then matching on the other side.
Right. Okay. Is that on every single cup?
Apart from the one that you are using from the head, where you don't want to have the first set.
So on the cup at the front, you only want
don't
it
want those.
there,
Yeah, you don't want those ones.
and then everything
Want
else
those.
is 2.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Apart from the end one where you don't want ones either. So the last one doesn't have them, and the first one doesn't have them.
Right. Okay. Okay. I get that. All right.
Okay.
So is there an
It
easy
is
way
fiddly. It is fiddly.
Right. Is there an easy way of getting the holes in?
Now, if you are not asking the youngsters to do it, I find a screw is very easy because it twists into it. You can also use it on plastic cups as well.
So I've got my first one. So I've got my
Okay.
hole at
Yeah.
the bottom
Yeah,
on either side, but I haven't. And then the other ones, it's a hole at the top
yeah,
and a hole at the bottom.
top, yeah,
Okay.
in line.
But I've got all of my cups now have holes.
Right, have you chosen which order they go in?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so
I
get
did-
your first
I did
one.
that way
Oh,
before
yeah.
anything else.
So get your first one that doesn't have holes at the front. So you get your split pin.
Yeah.
And you tuck it in through the hole by the rim.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I get you. Yeah. Ooh.
And your second cup is just tucked in, just like that. Your second cup is tucked just in like that.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So your split pin goes through the hole by the rim with your first one,
Mhm.
and then it goes into the hole, which is at the base of the second one. And then you put your pin in and open it up. And you do the same on the other side. So when you've got it, when you've done both sides, it goes like that. You've got some movement, yeah? Both sides? Yeah. And then you carry on until the end. So
Okay.
keep going. Oh, beautiful.
Hey, look! I went with red and yellow just to.
I've got a black one.
Ooh, very nice. I like
Right.
that. I really do like this.
So the next one is you want to put your lovely little scales on the middle of the back.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, looking good.
Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah, I like that. Right, do you know that lovely cone thing you had? Your cone
Oh,
bit?
yeah.
We're going to stick it in the end one as the tail.
Okay. And I did it in tissue paper.
Looking good.
I've got the tail that blows in the breeze.
Right, then what you want to do is get your legs.
All right.
Get your legs.
Yes,
Legs.
I've got my legs. Yes, I've got my
Right.
legs.
I would put them on the second cup.
Yeah.
Second cup, probably just like that.
Yeah.
Just below your paper partner there.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so one there. I'm on
Yeah.
the other side, so he's not hobbling.
Yeah.
And then do the same on the probably the fifth.
Oh,
Your
that's
fifth
right.
cup,
Okay. Yeah.
So he's
Okay.
got 4 legs.
Yeah. Okay.
How are we doing? He's looking beautiful. Right, your 2 triangle bits.
Yes.
You're going to put the front of the head.
And they're gonna go at the back, like there, like that.
Yeah, like
Okay.
that.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, you're pleased with this, aren't you? Drum roll. Oh, beautiful.
He's got
Yeah,
like the
now he
little
needs-
ones.
Now he needs to know where he's going, so you need to put his googly eyes on.
Googly eyes on. Right. Okay. I can do that. Are you ready?
Oh, he's
Oh, yeah.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
I know,
Then you can actually draw fangs on if you want. Mine's black, so you can't draw a mouth on you. And then
He looks like a
you-
vampire.
it's alright.
I
And
want
you can-
to drink your blood.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
And then you can, with your marker pen or whatever you're using, you can then bling it up to decorate it as you want.
Okay. I'm feeling like I'm all right with my, because I've done colourful cups. I
Yeah.
think I'm all right with what I've got at this moment in time. I don't want to do too much, you know. You know what I mean? Is it?
Yeah, no, I get you.
Yeah.
So you can stick your lollipop top sticks to the bottom, or you can put string on.
Okay.
And hold it like that. Barbecue skewers.
No way.
Yeah. Ooh.
Wow. So actually having them on the sides allows you
If you
to
did a
do
puppet
that.
show, that would work loads, wouldn't it?
It would. I like that. I think that's nice.
Well done.
That is.
It's alright.
That is
Celebrate having
absolutely.
your dragon.
This is, yeah, but this is the thing. It's a different way. Like you said, you can also do it as like a puppet show. So you
Yeah.
could actually do like a Chinese, like sort of puppet show with your
Yeah.
dragon. You know, this is just.
I love them. They're
I think
brilliant.
they're nice. That is absolutely amazing. That is probably. Don't tell my other co-host. Well, it's the best one of this year. Yeah, that is ace. I really do love that, and it's just so simple to do.
It is simple,
Yeah.
and you can bling it up as much as you want, or you can just very simple. It allows people also artistic license, doesn't it?
Yes, they can do whatever dragon they
Yeah.
want, or you know, have like little wispy things, little pointy
And
ears.
if you've got the younger ones, you could probably put them together and let them stick the other stuff on top.
Yeah,
I think it's one for young leaders helping with the younger sections. I think that would be a perfect.
I feel the young leaders would have more fun. I've had more fun out of this than probably the kids would do.
Fair enough.
That is brilliant. That is a fantastic craft activity.
Well done.
Thank you. I had a really
Right.
good teacher. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And there we have it. If you like this video, then obviously don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it around. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.